Remember the first time you held your pregnancy test? Not sure if you read line on the strip correctly? Contemplating whether two young lovebirds are ready now to welcome their third. Nothing is clear being a parent. You never know what works best for you. We try things out, experiment and experience. That's the key to everything. But with Picole, worry last. Well, at least for a guaranteed well-functioning and stylish diaper bag. The spacious Picole diaper bag, accompanied with full vegan leather changing pad, is just perfect for throw and go moms. Multiple compartments, including insulated thermal pockets, just compliant to your baby's needs. Soothing color choices with different ways to style. It doesn't look like a diaper bag at all. Flexible and works out for any occasion. Grab a commodity that you would never regret. You deserve an assistance. A good one. We know parenting is hard work, as we are parents too. Now let Picole carry the load for you.